kids on like the bitch door, so doesn't matter, doesn't matter, doesn't matter, doesn't matter.
What's up, guys? We're riding pit bikes today. D's on the 125 CRF, on the KLX 110, and we're be hitting some clips for you guys. We're going to the gas station, get some scratchers tooling, hit a little pit stop, you know what I mean. Yep.
Right back to business as usual. Straight out of what's under my cuticle. I blocked and they picked up my coffin.
You are not him. You are not him.
No.
You are not him.
Ain't it funny how all of the smallest dogs do the most damn barking? Quiet down, this a big dog talking. Need a word, gotta step in my office. Trade photo, I'm tired of the something. We just come when we got caught and they acted indifferent. There ain't no excuses, just lack of commitment. They ran when they hit me, I harbor resentment. I'm too out of shot, but I brought my equipment. This shit can get scary.
Get your ass on, boy. Get your ass on.
Out on my own, man, this shit can get scary. They throw me another Hail Mary, I promise I'm catching these. I ain't even got no gloves that just stick to me. Growing up ain't no breakfast at Tiffany's. It was more like that dinner than brothers. I brought my life, no powder. She asking me what's gotten into me. I think they tried to use them to get to me. When we talk, he act nervous and fidgety. Straight to mail, I don't know who been listening. I'll be a second and keep this shit running. 2 in the morning, I'm sleep when it's sunny. Talk till I'm blue in the face, boy, I keep it 100. Yeah. Draco built like it came out Jumanji. Shit got it sweet, keep it caged in the dungeon. Enemy close just in case it get hungry. Tactical tight to me, ready for war. He wanna send it, he better be sure. Fuck on the low, she keep asking what are we. I told her to just call me daddy for sure.
Alright, we got the scratchers and we got the bev. Time to crack her open. You get that?
Yeah, I got it.
All right, we fired up the flatbed. We're gonna be going to pick up a little surprise.
1999 Yamaha SX 600 triple. 1, 2, 3, baby.
Yep. He's been talking about getting the triple. He's been talking about getting the triple for a while now. And you know, he's finally pulling the trigger. Heard it's gonna be a big winter this year. Everybody wanted sled, so I was gonna sell for probably 15.
You had it for how long?
For this January, it'll be 2 years. All right, guys, we got the deal. We got the sled for Rowan. Look at them, the fellas enjoying that. We had a slight issue down here with the 4-wheel drive. We got stuck in the dude's driveway. It's just me being an idiot, and then yeah, we're trying to leave, going down the dude's driveway. Freaking the shifter for the 4-wheel drive is broken. So we had to go over and try to shift it back. Otherwise, it would have been a long ride in 4x4 high. You don't see that every day, but we're good. Hopefully this thing don't break down on the way home. And it's every time we go on a marketplace meetup, bro, with this thing. Last time it was Lincoln. Hey! Oh, stop sign! Stop! Alright, we're good. I gotta get it on video here. Greasing up my freaking flatbed here. That's Interceptor. That's Interceptor. I can smell it. Yeah, rip her a little bit. Rip her a little bit. Hey! Give her. Hey, what the heck?
You get it so it engages at about $6 grand. Hang on.
No. I don't believe it.
I was up in Big Bay yesterday. I wish I had mine up there. There was. Really?
Oh,
Yeah, there's
wow.
up there.
Yeah, but look at it today. Today it's all super warm out today, man.
Well, that was from Monday actually. But it was melting. Yeah. It was still 40 something up there.
This thing's clapped.
I was wishing I had my sled looking at it.
Yeah. This thing's slow.
Yeah.
Red heads for freaking blown up cylinders. That's what that means.
She's gonna get beaten like a
It's not even the triple pipe too. You, bro.
She's gonna get beaten like a redheaded stepchild.
Go back on you.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man.
What?
I'm just disappointed.
Sorry.
So we're gonna be throwing a can on this right away.
Look, it's already ordered. It's already ordered. I actually already ordered one. MVRP can. It's on the way.
No. I don't know, man.
Dude,
I
you were
mean,
supposed to get me a can.
throttle feels pretty good.
Remember for my birthday?
Fucking loaded, buddy.
Feels pretty
For my
snappy
birthday,
right there.
Okay, you're good.
Wait, it needs a triple carb.
Next time I do this to the White Lightning, you better remember this.
No, you're not touching the white lightning.
Oh.
Hellcat swap
Look at him
400.
fidgeting everything. Look at him touching everything.
The gas smelled old when I was smelling it before.
I know.
Probably fill her up right
It
now.
smells like straight farm field.
Why would you do it now?
Does it even have e-start?
Should I fill it up now?
Why does it have the
No,
turn for the
no, don't
e-start?
do it. No.
Stop.
Don't fill it
No,
up.
just stop.
High, low,
What does this even mean?
high, low, buffalo, your lights,
Oh, okay.
and then the warm.
I
For
don't know
the-
how that works. I don't know
Look
how
here.
that
Yeah.
See.
It ain't even
works. You have to put it
plugged
up
in.
in
Oh, it is plugged in.
Yeah, just like that. See that?
Okay.
Oh, that's the
I
parking
see.
brake. Oh, he's got the shorty lever? Okay, shorty lever.
Shorty, bro.
You know, it's pretty solid, but only time will tell when it hits the snowfall, it'll blow up.
Yeah. I'm dropping the
Did you
center cylinder,
did you put the
okay?
telescope into the cylinders and see if they scored at all?
I should have went one by one down the line.
Check
Okay,
that
top it
board.
Yeah,
off.
pop it off. See what's under there.
Okay,
Probably all
sounds
rusted
good.
out. You can probably take those off with your hand.
I'm not hearing any difference. Ooh. Yeah, definitely got the middle cylinder.
Stupid neighbor with the horses. Anyways, we got Roman's purchase here. Quickest marketplace deal. Under 5 minutes. Pulls up there, checks it out. Instantly says, "So can you do 12 on it?" Kid says, "No, the price is 13. Going to argue instantly. Let's do a little walk around. Hit them brakes. Hey, hit them brakes. open her up. Full. Holy cow. The Hellcat swap 8400 White Lightning is away. And she is mean. Oh, she's bogging down now. Yeah, it does. She ain't even smoky, man. I've seen worse than this. If you know, you know. Yo, where is he? Oh, no joke. Yeah. We're getting ready for sled season here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sleds in here. They like KTM, a little out of commission. RM, a little out of commission. 3-wheeler, 4-wheeler, moped, and plenty more in the shed. But holy. Oh my God. Today we're helping Lincoln out with his beautiful Chevy here. Silverado K1500. Oh, don't look at the plates. Look at them fuzzy dice. Beautiful truck. Beautiful truck. And we got him down there putting in the work, wrenching. You wouldn't believe it that this guy's not soft hands. Oh, break that loose. That's loosey-goosey.
Shoulders are feeling good.
That's how you wrench right there, man.
Yeah.
Yep, so today we're undercoating this whole truck. We're getting rid of all the rust. Psych. We're just hitting the diff change here. Diff fluid. Lincoln's already got... Hey, Lincoln, aka Porker / Jorker. Already got all we need here.
Shout out AutoZone.
Yep. I'm more of an O'Reilly's guy, but AutoZone came through. Got the gasket and everything. He's ready. He even bought his own torque wrench. He's ready for the wrenching. And we're just taking the cover off right now. We'll get to you guys when we got the fluid out.
Alright guys, she ain't budging. We're gonna have to hit her with the torch.
Alright, now she should... Tell them what you did. Yeah.
Alright guys, so took out all the bolts, took the case off. Now we're just letting her drain. Take this old gasket off this. Clean her up a little bit. And yeah, that's where we're at right now.
Oh, she's gonna be nice and good in reverse now.
Yeah, hopefully she don't vibrate anymore.
Yeah. That ain't soft hands anymore.
Never was soft. People doubted me though.
Man, this guy runs 18,000 a night.
There it goes.
See that? And he's only got the half pipe. He don't even come to all the way to the back.
Yeah. That's just how it goes.
We gotta show him the video of the cold start.
Oh.
Yeah. I'll put that in the video. We'll put her in here. That was the ultra cold start.
It just shows you what this truck can really
He even knows how to cover the dip, man. This guy's 3,000 IQ.
Yeah, it's just...
Oh, yeah. The shop must pay for his brake clean, man, because he's just using that.
Alright, how are you staying still, dude?
I don't know, I was kind of just doing it a little. Alright, so we got the cover back on, now we're filling her up. Jorker's gotta squeeze it in there. Oh heck no. All right, so Porker, check out your engine oil real quick. So it was actually stuck before, you couldn't get it off, but I'm pretty sure she was a little corroded in there, and that's why you couldn't get her off.
Gonna have to do a little engine oil.
We're doing an oil change too now, but yeah. Hey, flip her over. Yep, pretty dirty. I think there's rust getting on it from the inside of the thing. I'm gonna get her clean.
Yeah.
Deep crampa.
Everything will be good.
We're gonna get her dialed. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. Pretty sweet.
Yeah, just put some new windshield wiper fluid in her.
Oh really? Oh, she's
Yo,
hot.
What is this
What the-
paper, bro?
Bro, what?
Bro, it's a makeshift funnel, bro. It's got cobwebs.
Oh my, no wonder, bro. He's been filling the oil up. It's been burning too much. Oh my days, man. Oh my days. Yeah, we're cooked. 350 small block, more like 350 no block. Look at, you can't even see in there because it's going. Yep. Those valves are cooked. All right, so we got done with Porker's truck. Just the diff fluid. Got it all filled up, and now we're dumping all of our oil at the city garage, the waste oil, and then we're going to get oil and oil filter and do his oil change right away because it was looking a little sketchy on the dipstick there. But yeah, we'll hit you guys back once we're at Walmart. Let's dump. Oh, there it goes. Oh yeah. We ain't soft hands today. Psych we are, I'm in the gloves. Oh! Alright, start her off. What do you got?
We get some Valvoline high mileage full synthetic blend.
That's what
we gotta hit an oil change, and it's like 10 o'clock at night right now, but you know, there's parties out there, but we're wrenching on the old truck, right?
Yep.
It's more important.
That's what Chevy calls for right there.
That's right.
And then we can't figure out what oil filter it is because the books don't go back to how old.
AI said like.
AI said some stupid thing.
It was this one. Then.
But I swear when I was looking at it, it was like this big, so I don't know.
Trusted since 1934.
It might be like this big too. I don't know, we'll see. We'll figure it out.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we got this jerry-rigged oil filter. Aiden, how's it going?
Not good. This thing is jerry-rigged.
Yeah. So
dude, should we just go back to O'Reilly's and get this right away?
Yeah, tell him what's up, Aiden.
Okay, so I don't know what you call it, but where the oil filter goes into the engine is like changed on this. It's a bigger one. I don't know if it's for like performance or what. I'm not a big mod guy or whatever, but all I know is one came with my Mustang, so that's definitely what they did. Cause it don't go straight into the engine. It's like different. I know it's different. It looks different. It's not stock.
Yeah, we're gonna have to figure this out, guys, like we always do.
All right, so we're back from O'Reilly's for the second time. We just had the smartest idea of bringing the filter that was already here or on the truck there because somebody messed it up and put a different oil filter. Yeah. So we got it all figured out after probably 3 hours. 3-hour oil change here, quickest oil change, and we got Jorker underneath putting the oil. Yeah, he's putting the drain bolt back in. Little blue collar down there.
I'm gonna do the other stuff too, don't worry.
Yeah, he's doing everything else because he's blue collar. But yeah, we're not too proud of this one, but we'll know for next time now. All right.
Thank you for the roses.
Thanks for the... Oh, I love that.
Popcorn.